Hello to all of you, this is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we will understand how to do string manipulations in Python. So first of all, I'll import the dataset, Titanic dataset in Python. This is a very popular dataset which is available on Kaggle. First of all, you will have to import this dataset by the command line df is equal to pd.read_csv. It is a CSV file. R is a magical operator. So if you include R, your import will be very easy. Then I'll specify the path, shift, enter. Now, once the data is imported, let me include one more line here. You can see here now the data is imported in Python. Now, this name which is there, I want to separate the name with the surname. So for this, I require the string manipulations. So I'll be using the command line split_df. Now this is the name which we are giving. So I can give any name here. It's not necessary that I should write split_df. It is just a name. I can even name this as split. But on right hand side, this is the command line and we have to be very specific here. Now how this command is working, let's try to understand. df is a data frame which we have generated here, df. I want the string manipulations to be done on the name. So I'm writing here name dot string dot split. The criteria for splitting is the comma which is there in the name, and expand it true, make expand true. So when I'll run this command line, you can see that now the name and the surname has been splitted. This is the first string manipulation. Now I want to convert all the names which are in lowercase to the uppercase, and therefore I'll be using the command line as df square bracket name. So here I am specifying that do the changes in the original variable only. df square bracket name is equal to df inverted commas name dot string dot upper. Convert all of them into upper. Shift enter. And you can see that all the variables have been converted, all the names have been converted into the uppercase. So this is a way you can do string manipulations in Python. For more videos on data science using Python, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter. I have already uploaded many videos related to data science using Python. Please see my playlist.